So friends, let's play some game. Let's know what you are seeing. You are seeing this first slide, you are seeing the first slide. So please tell me no whether the plates are kept in a straight manner or it is kept opposite. Just say whether these plates, the plates which you are seeing here, are kept in opposite direction or are kept in correct direction. This image which you are seeing, please say, please think about it. Fast. So hope you have thought about it. These plates are in opposite direction or in correct direction. So everybody has thought something in their mind. Let's see now. So this plate are in opposite direction or straight direction. What you have thought and what is now you are seeing. Just give me a message what you have thought initially and what you are seeing. So the answer to this question is, for some students it is looking that it is in opposite direction. Who are those students who are seeing this image in opposite direction? And for some students these images are straight, kept straight. So the answer to this question is, in this image few images are kept opposite and few images are kept in a straight manner. Whenever you start seeing images in correct manner, what is the magic? All the plates start looking in same direction. You think that all are correct. And whenever you see one plate in opposite direction, you start seeing that all the plates are in opposite direction. So what I wanted to conclude that it is all in our vision. Good and bad is in us. If we think bad, if there is some bad incidents for our life, is one thing gone wrong, you think that entire thing is wrong, you get negative outlook for everything in your life. If one thing get wrong, you think that all are wrong. Try to develop positive outlook. Even wrong one will appear to you correct one. Even your difficulty will appear to you as opportunity. If you developed a correct outlook, everything looks correct. If you developed a wrong outlook, everything, even the correct one, looks incorrect. Hope you understood what I wanted to say. Think negative or think positive. Now it's up to you. Definitely you should think positive. Everything is in the mindset. So many people get trapped in this cycle of someday I will organize my notes, I will get to that mass homework eventually. The truth is someday and eventually never come. It's important to set a specific date for when you want your goals to be accomplished. If you have an assignment due, aim to have it completed 1 or 2 days in advance. That's way, if something unexpected happens, you still have extra time to complete it. So please set a deadline. Have a positive outlook. Hope you understood what I wanted to say, and you will definitely make your life beautiful, because the purpose of all our life is to be happy. Fine, sir.